Give me less than 3 minutes and you'll be successful in 2025. So, procrastination is the destroyer of all dream. And instead of waiting to also do everything once at a go, you can do it little by little every single day in order for you to also progress. I'm a YouTuber, and at first I waited to also write up as many scripts as I can before I bulk shoot the videos. Meanwhile, within this month of writing the script, I could have also written a script every day and made a video for it, so that this way I'll be growing every day rather than waiting for months to also post, which does not help my channel grow. Secondly, what you also have to do is to schedule what you have to do the day in a day before the day even comes. So make sure you always schedule what you do, because if you know what to do, you'll not procrastinate. And if you know the little thing that you can do the day before it comes, you will not procrastinate to also bulk up things. I'm Emmanuel, and if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also come back and comment down below if you also try this and you get results from it. I'll see you in the next video.